This is what I was talking about. Big blow-ups. Well, we back at it. Back in the Vaca Island cutoff area. Man, just a lot of topwater popping going on. We're just gonna hit this canal. So the spawn is pretty much over with. So now, all we'll pretty much have now is a bunch of fry garters. So which is a good thing. This is my favorite time to fish. The females are out and about. They're all getting fat and sassy, filling up on shad and bait, just about anything they can consume. So it makes it really fun. And this is the time you'll get some really aggressive strikes, which is what I'm hoping for. God, it was so cold on the ride this morning. I was literally tucked behind my center console, trying to hide out of the wind. Got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at here. This is what I was talking about. Big blow-ups. Look at this beauty here. I'm talking an absolute stud. She's landed. On the frog. Big old blow-ups. But that's what they're doing. This is my favorite time of year to come out here. The females are off of the bed. They're out cruising, eating, and the males are guarding the bed, guarding the fry. Right now, they're about to turn to the point to where the males will start eating the fry. They give them a little bit, okay, yawn, and they kick them out the nest. But look how beautiful this fish is. Oh my goodness. I need to snap a quick picture of this one, and we're gonna let him go. Can you go dance for me? Oh yeah. I love it. Oh man, that was so good. So fun. And this time, I got me a towel. That's how you start the day off, right there. With a big old toady toad on a toad. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, come on now. They're jumping and bumping over there. I just made a terrible mistake. I thought my middle camera was on, but it's not. Thank God I had my chesty on. I'm so glad I didn't go red fishing today. I almost decided to. Wouldn't have been a good day for red fishing in the marsh. I did one time. I went one day I went, it was super windy. I was the only one at the launch. And everybody's like, I can't believe you're going fishing. And I had a great day. You want to check that video out right there. But wait till after this video. I'll link it in the description. Oh, I gotta get out of this wind. So weather forecast today. I feel like I'm about to get on step here with this wind. Jeez Louise. Oh boy. So this is perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna spotlight myself right here. I hope it does it again. So when I threw right here, we seen a bunch of little fish just start flying, jumping out of the water, trying to get away. That was all bass fry. Hopefully, I got old bass there. Yeah, maybe not. But that's what they're doing now. There's all a little bass fry all over the place. Like I said, it's only a matter of time before these bass start turning on the fry and start eating them. Like I said, that's when fishing this time of year gets good. Look at right there. I'm gonna whip around. Yeah, we're gonna come across here. We're gonna get out of this wind. Looks a little bit better on this side. All right, I gotta go where they got some sun. Cause man, I'm telling you, I am freezing. And right around this bend is the sun. You see the water dropped. The water was falling last night. So we should start having an incoming tide, which I love fishing an incoming tide. Got him. I didn't even realize he had it. A little bitty bass. Come on there, little fella. Cute little guy. Appreciate you. Yeah, I thought at first I was tangled up, but then it started going to the side. I thought I was just caught up in that lilies right there. Come on, get off of there. Caught him on the old Cajun speed crawl. The Casper. Man, I gotta get out of this wind. 63 degrees this morning. So we got winds, 10-mile-an-hour winds, then going and getting to 27-mile-an-hour winds. So I don't think I'm gonna stick around in this pocket too much longer, because man, it is cold. I'm gonna flip around these trees just a few more times. See if we can get us another one. Right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, almost been a piece of grass right there. Man, it sure felt like might have been the way the grass was tearing or something, I don't know. Hook sets are free though. Like I didn't realize I had one right there until I set the hook. So yeah, I think we're gonna move on. I gotta get out of this wind. This wind is just too much for me right now. $8.40. So according to the fishing app, I like to use fish points. So this is where we are right now. supposed to start slacking off, but man. So we had the bottom of the tide. Should start coming up.
This is cold.
Made a little move. I had to get out of that wind. The wind is not as bad right here because I have this wall, the back of the cut, to kind of block it, and we're going that way, so it should continuously get better, and the sun can actually get to me right here. So I'm excited about that because, man, I was freezing over there. I definitely did not dress for the occasion.
I wasn't.
Got him. Oh, a good one here too. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Okay, yeah. Beautiful fish. Another beautiful one. Boy, these fish are so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna let it go. Oh yeah. Jeez Louise, look at the size of that alligator. That's a big one right there. We're gonna let him just cruise on out of here.